Hey guys, welcome back to my channel here. This is Penguin Tech. Today we're going to unbox this Kingma battery charger kit. So the battery model is NP-BX1. So USB 5 volt, quick charge and small and compact. And then let's see if there's anything on the side here. So it supports car charger, wall charger, power bank and also laptop. And then there's anything on this side, nothing on the top and bottom. And then on the back it says the brand name is Kingma and the model is BM058BX1, input 5 volt at 2 amps, output 4.2 volt at 700 milliamps. So there's an input port type C, which is good, and then this is the size, so portable. So the battery for this is NP-BX1 and then it's 3.6 volt and the capacity is 1090 mAh. So it can be used for Sony, and then this is the size. So actually if you compare to the original NP-BX1 battery from Sony, this capacity is actually a bit lower. I think the original one is at the 1260 mAh, this one is at 1090, but they both have the same voltage, 3.6. So suitable Sony cameras include all of these recent RX100s, WX350, WX300 also works, RX1R, HX300, AS15, AS200, HS90, HS50, WX500, and so on. So any Sony camera that uses the battery NP-BX1 should be able to support it. And so there's a charging indicator here, and then some of the caution things. So without further ado, let's unbox this. So this thing costs RM80 for one charger and two batteries, which is a nice deal. And then it also comes with a battery cover. So it comes with two batteries. So let me just bring one out and let you see. So it labels for Sony NP-BX1 3.6 volt at 3.9 wattage, something like that. This is also a bit lower than the original battery. So I just want to say that I don't think this is original, but it works for your camera and it's a cheaper option. So 1090 mAh. So yeah, it's a slightly lower capacity, so don't expect it to be able to last as long as the original, but it works and it's cheaper and it comes with two. And if you want to buy this battery, I think it's 30 ringgit per piece. Yeah. And then this is the USB-C here, USB-A. And then this is the charger itself. BM058BX1, 5 volt at 2N, and then the output is the 4.2 watt, 700 milliamps. So this is the warranty card. Not sure how long it lasts though, and it's all Chinese. But it does say that something like within 7 days you can return it or something like that, but I'm not clear. This is for in China, and this is the manual. So basically you have the USB-C header here, and then you just need to plug your battery down here. So let me try with one here and then you see how it works. So it says channel 1 here. You notice channel 1 has the battery and it's charging it. Channel 2 no battery and it's not charging it. So once it's full, then it will stop charging. So that's about it, guys. Pretty small and portable. Yeah, good one. For the price, it's definitely worth it. So yeah, thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe and share my video if you find it useful. And I'll catch you guys next time. Bye bye.